we've removed this bridge that supports the starter idler shaft down here, and now the Bendix can come out, tilt over on its side and come out. So one thing to keep an eye on this shaft here, you can see this little washer is free floating, so obviously you need to grease that and stick it to the shaft when you go back in with the new part. So I'll come back to that in a second. Okay, so this is the original Bendix out of the bike, and you can see this, I don't know if I can do it one-handed, this drum is able to rotate freely. It's come free from the main gear. That should be locked. On the new part, that drum is actually fixed to the gear. You can see the gear revolving with the drum. So that's what the failure has been, and this is the new part. I've also noticed that this is the reduction gear from the bike, from the starter to the Bendix. And this new part looks to have a little, I assume it's like a torque limiting clutch in it, which should make things last a bit longer, so it probably reduces the hit from the starter or the power pulses as the motor's winding from transferring in load into the system. So yeah, hopefully that's sort of the fix and we never have to be in here again. Now it's just a matter of greasing the shafts and the pivot points and reassembling. I'm going to use some waterproof boat axle grease in Chris's bike here. If it gets any water in there it won't wash out, but yeah, it should be well sealed. It's got a gasket on it. So yeah, we'll grease her all up, reassemble, done. Easy job. One thing to be aware of as you're reassembling, you can see here there's a dowel that sits up proud of the housing. There's another one over here. There's also two on this bridge here. So one has come out in the bridge. There it is there. I'm just going to reinsert it back into the hole. But yeah, make sure that they're not stuck either in the bridge here or in the cover like one of the top ones was. As you put it back in, it can drop into the case and get caught in the gears. So one there, one on the housing here, and another one up the top there. So 4 in total. Make sure they're all there before you reassemble.